What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to resolve the camera app lagging issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, try freeing up some space. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care, click on storage, and from here check if your storage is running out. Then try freeing up some space by deleting some extra files. So you can also delete the recycle bin items to free up some space, and after freeing up some space the camera will start working properly. But after that, if you are still facing the issue, then update camera and all the other apps in your phone. So for that, open Play Store, and in Play Store click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now here click on updates available option, and from here if you have any pending update of a app, then update the app, and after updating all the apps your camera will start working properly. But after updating, if you are still facing the same issue, then if you have opened too many apps in the background, then click on this recent key, and from here close all the background apps. So if a lot of apps are running in the background, it can cause the camera app lagging. So after closing the apps from background, it will help you to fix the camera app lagging. Now after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after resetting the settings, it will help you to fix your camera app lagging. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.